Here, hold on to that. Take a look.
Something.
You can zoom in if you want. I'm gonna change this. So the way the light is on that photo, all the light's on her, on this side of her, and I want it to be more like here and the rest of her body. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna move it more like in front. Hopefully I don't get it in the shot. That's the only thing I'm worried about, because I don't know how long this thing is, but we'll see. I'll see what I can do. But I want her to be evenly lit, basically. So this has to be more in front of her. Oh yeah? Hit it, hit the rate button right there. It says rate on the back. Pro tip, again, guys, if you guys are using a C-stand outside with any kind of modifier, I use the beauty dish because the beauty dish doesn't really react to wind that much. It's really windy up here, and it's not really been that big of an issue. But heavier C-stands, right, so that the wind doesn't do as much to it, and then get a sandbag. This is probably, I would say it's like 10 pounds. I went to Home Depot and bought this thing. I don't know when. It's like, I forget what it's called. Some kind of like bag or sack or something. You can get like some rocks that you put in the sink or whatever in the heart. It's like I think it's the gardening section. Put like a pound of those in there or next to the gardening section. And then, I mean, I've broken a few modifiers when I first started. So this, it's huge. It's huge. Just make sure you do it. Anyway.
Okay.
What are you thinking? Good?
Yeah, but I have another pair of ballet shoes that I'm gonna try.
Right there. Okay. Actually, I want a lower angle. Also, guys, if you've been shooting for a while and you're still like taking all your photos from standing, try different angles and perspectives, because it really changes like the different lines that you can get with the composition that you're creating. All right, count me off. Yes. You want that back leg straight? Okay. I don't know, like you tell me what's important here. Okay, good. It looked great. It looked great. Yep. Oh, that's wonderful. That's wonderful, huh? It was, yes, it was very straight. So take a step this way. Yeah, so when you do it, yeah. All right, let's try one more time. I love that. I wonder if there's anything I can change. Yeah, let's do it again. I'm gonna try it from a different angle. Same shot, same exact composition. No, I like it. I just want to see if I change it, if anything different will happen. So let's try it again. I love that. One more time. That's fantastic. Okay, yeah. Yep. Okay, one more time. These are great. I'll show you in a second. Yeah. I'm loving these. I hope y'all are loving these at home, because these are great. These are great. Here, all right, let me show you so you can tell me what you think. Oops, went too far back. So that was that one I said is a little bent, then straightened it.
Okay, nice. That one.
You like it straight?
Yeah, yep. And my legs, see, like my legs aren't all the way split yet on that one.
Yeah.
They're split.
I see.
Yeah, so that's the hard part about this sleeve. You have to get it right there. So that looks great.
I wonder if this would be better if I moved you a little forward. Like I love like these lines and all this.
Yeah.
But I wonder if we moved a little bit this way, what it would look like. Yeah?
Yeah, I
try
love that one. Like this could be a rate.
Yeah.
Can you go over it real quick? So, oh yeah, like that one, I don't think I'm at the top there. That's closer.
A good one. Yeah.
But the last one I was further.
Yeah.
Yeah, the last one, very last.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can tell it's way different. My leg's like.
Perfect. Yeah, it's great.
Cool.
We'll hit it one more time, and then we can do some static poses. Maybe use some of these, like the actual railing for the composition. You ready? So for that one, I wanted to change the perspective a little bit, because like shooting straight on for me, I mean, you want to try to change it up a little bit and just move around, move your feet, see what happens. That's one of the benefits of using a prime, actually. I've been shooting with zooming for so long, I forget to use my feet sometimes. So move around and just see what happens. So step forward a few, like this way. No. Right there. Let's start right there and tell me, yeah. Let's give it a shot and see. Yeah, yes. Good. This time, a little bit more this way. One more time, right there. This is perfect. I'm gonna move my light though, stay right, don't move a muscle. Ah. Yep. That's beautiful. One more time. Fantastic. Actually, one more time, a small smidgen of a step this way, right there. We'll see what it looks like. Yep. God, that's beautiful. I love this. I think that's the one. One more time. Actually, let's go back that way because I did like that one better. Right there, right there. Tell me when. Yep. And then I'm gonna get a little closer. One more time. Last time. Yep. Take a step that way. Right there. One more time. I like it. So I got you in a few different angles of it. I think I like the ones that are a little further out. Yeah, I like that. But I think I can settle on some of these. These are good.
That's fine. What was that?
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think you already. Yeah, you did. Yeah.
Nice. Oh, you can do double star.
You can do 5.
That was the first one.
It's like when I get home and you